just got over to the Holston. Got little man with us. Today's redemption for the other day. It was pretty bad. I think today we're gonna have some luck. We're gonna get up here, and today we are gonna make something happen. So let's go get it. Today is redemption, like I was saying. So we're gonna try to make something happen today. We're back up to the exact same spot we were at a couple days ago, and it was horrible. When we bounced around absolutely everywhere. Today we're back up here. We're gonna try to make some magic happen. Got a little bit of current, nothing crazy. We gonna catch one, buddy? Yeah. Oh. Oh, got him. Got him. Oh, yeah. Little guy, but we got him. He's a strong little dude, man. These little fish up here in this current are strong. Look at him fighting. Woo! No, it's a smallie. Look how strong he is. Look, Bubba. How about that, dude? He's got something in his mouth. Oh, he's got a bait fish in his mouth. Yeah. Look at that in his mouth. See if we can see it on here. Right here. Just toss him under. Ready? Go. Toss him out. Toss him out. Toss him. All right. Oh, he lost his food. Good job, dude. Give me some knuckles. Boosh. Number one. Better than I did the other day already. In the first, what, 5 minutes of being here. Alright, Dennis. Do you? Set it. Oh, you do? What? Sure do. Right in that little pocket, too. Yeah. What's that? Number two that we caught. We ain't gonna count that one. Hey, we ain't catching no giants, but whatever. Let me see him. All right, number two. We foul hooked one on the. Oh, there's another one. I can't tell if that's a smallmouth or a big red eye. Oh yeah, big red eye. Big old red eye. Whoa. You gonna touch him? It does, don't it, dude? Yeah, his eyes. Be careful, pet him. We're gonna throw him back. Oh, he's on your face. Look at all that foam. Yeah. Red eye. Red eye, got him. It's a little red eye bass. Yeah, he's tiny. You want to touch him too? Yeah, he's little. Yeah. Feel his mouth. You want to thumb him? Here, put your thumb in his mouth like I taught you the other day. Now your thumb. Like this. Now squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it hard. Okay. All right, we'll get there. We'll get there. Boom, he's gone. Is that a good one? Red eye or smallie? Well, another red eye. Hey, they are hitting that big 4-inch, ain't they? You got another one, dude? Holy shit, they're tearing up that. Another huge red eye. Golly. All right, well, I'm gonna switch mine up, see what happens. I'm gonna put on a 4-inch TRD. I think I've only got one left. That's about what, 3 in a row, back to back to back, even though the red eye. Alrighty, let's put on a big 4-inch. No, oh God, dude.
Oh my God.
Is he hung up?
That's a big smallmouth, dude. Get the net.
Where's the net?
It should be laying right there. Oh my God, a big smallmouth.
Oh, he's in that current. Oh, he's pulling it. Oh!
Oh my God.
Don't horse him, dude. Don't try not to horse him. Try not to horse him. That's a good one. Got him.
Oh.
Yeah, give me some knuckles, brother. Boom.
That's a good one.
That is a freaking little
That's a
tank.
Chunk. That's a chunk, dude. What do you think he weighs?
Let me see. I'm gonna say a little under 2 pounds. Maybe 2 pounds.
You don't think he's 2?
Yeah, I'm gonna say 2. Let's say 2.
I'm gonna say 2.
Did you get a new scale? Okay, let's see if mine's ready. Right when I just said I'm gonna switch out to the 4-inch, dude, maybe we should go back to the 4-inch black over there.
That's what I was thinking. I'm gonna say 2.5.
2.5?
Just chunk.
I'm gonna say 2.
2.2? Or 2? 2.2.
2.1.
Not bad. I thought he was a little bit.
Hey, that's on the money.
Feel him though in your hand. Don't he feel kind of heavy?
Oh yeah.
I thought he was like a 3.5.
Yeah. Nice one right there. Hey, definitely throw on the black 4-inch TRD. Is that your last one?
Huh?
Your last black one?
I got like 2 left.
Okay. Well, I've got one more. I thought you said that was your last one, but I say this is my last one. We might ought to go back out there in the middle and throw these black ones, cause dude, that's like 4 fish in a row you just caught with that. Bro, good Lord. Smalley, red eye. Oh. Yeah, another big old red eye. 8-pound red eye. You want to hold him? Thank you. Dude, I heard that. I've heard that. Hey, any of you guys watch this? Let me know if you've ate red eye bass before. We come up here and catch some pretty good sized ones. Seems like I've seen something before with guys doing a catch and cook with red eye. We catch them so much, guys, you know, might come up here and do a little catch and cook with some red eye bass. Might be pretty tasty. Oh, we just doubled up, dude. On little red eye. Oh, mine just got off. Dude, I'm telling you, that black. Yeah, it was tiny. But that black TRD, dude, is... That might be money. Dude, don't be talking about my fish like that, bro. Yeah. Why don't you back us out a little bit? Got it? Because they was probably trying to eat it head first. You get what I'm saying? That's gonna wrap it up. I thought we was gonna do a little bit better. We caught a bunch of red eye. We caught some little smallmouth. Bubba, the cameraman here at the moment, actually caught like what, a 2.2 pounder. So that was our biggest of the day. Giants, not a lot of big ones, but we still got on the fish. That was definitely 10 times better than what we did the other day when we got pretty much skunked. We hit 3 different spots, caught 1 fish the entire time. So anyways, guys, hope y'all enjoyed that. Little man, that was his first time out on the boat. It was awesome getting him out here. We had fun. And yeah, that little spot's the money. Hopefully we can get back up here again next time. We figured something out a little bit different. That black 4-inch TRD was getting the job done. We switched it to that, man, and then those fish just started hammering it, man. So anyways, guys, hope y'all enjoyed that. Thanks for tuning in to another Bass in Your video. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.